video today. I've got my backpack and that gun I made a video of. It gets jammed a lot because that means it's a good gun. So this bit is to take the mag out. Today we're going to be designing it in different designs. My dad has actually packed this bag for whatever I could put on there. First of all, from the Retaliator, you will find maybe these dents in some guns. It doesn't have it, and you will put it on. So there we go. And that brings it more out. Just get back a bit more, and there you go. And we're going to leave that on. Let's see. This bit. This is from that massive red gun I have. I'm going to put it on there like that. But actually this mag, oh, there we go, it's too small. So I've got this one, what I'm going to use for this video. This is what I use popular from the Rampage. So this is just going to fix it like that, and it looks smaller. And I'm going to pop that back on. Maybe it shouldn't go on there, maybe it should go on a different bit. So guys, my mum said to me if I'd be good at school, because I'm doing quite bad at staying. There you go. Yeah, I'm going to be starting some GTA videos, so I'll get those in the description. And this bit, you see that bit right there? And then just hook that on. Good. Let's see how this baby works. Oh, wait. Making a video. So yeah, I'm gonna see how this. Asleep. So we're going to get some blitz. So I think this mag only holds 6, yeah. Oh no, it didn't fall. Yeah, this mag only holds 6. This arrow, as I said, the other video, I'm going to put that back in there. And I just can't pop this on. Oh guys, wait a minute. So the gun is actually pretty tall. We're gonna put that back on. Okay, so that does it. Check it in there if you want. Right, I just won't worry about that stuff because you've already saw that bit in there. You can see. If you think this gun is big, wait 1 sec. I'm just going to get some other Nerf guns. So we have some more Nerf guns.
You better like one Nerf gun in my bedroom, son.
Huh?
You better like one Nerf gun in my bedroom. It's going to be trouble.
Okay.
Guys,
I've got to move out, otherwise I'm going to get really in trouble. We'll just move out. Move upstairs or my room, I don't know. So this backpack pretty holds nearly just came back from the pub, a bit drunk. That's where they always are. So we can take that off. So guys, holding to this. I don't know how I'm going to do this actually. I might actually drop my camera. Just have to pop this. Better put my rucksack on first. So here we go, guys. So yeah, now I've got all my guns. We're going up to my room. My dad's a bit drunk and sort of goes a bit mad. I might try and hold it down until one of these guns. It's going to get a bit dark. I'm going up to my room, up the steps, and fit through this stairgate. Yes. So yeah. So yeah. And this is just my Call of Duty. Maybe I'm going to play some. Lol. So I've got this awesome. Just put. Oh. There goes my Xbox. So guys, we're going to end this video here. If you liked it, click the like button, subscribe and comment for